Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, magandang gabi. Lalo sa iyo, Boss Ray, Mami Zel. Especially sa iyo, Boss Ray, kasi kaarawan mo ngayon. Okay? So, bago ako magbibigay ng mensahe sa iyo, gusto ko ipaparinig sa iyo. May papadinig lang ako sa iyo, Boss Ray.
I would like to greet you a happy birthday and I wish you the best of everything. Sorry I'm not the speaker straight, but I'm just adjusting how I want you to brains, huh? What do you want? I will give you this and everything. This is I'm so rich, my nigga. Happy birthday. Live what you want and want you what you live. Thank you, sir. I love you, brother. I love you. And I know you love me. Peace out, man.
So, yun nga. Narinig mo na yan, sir. Yung para sa akin naman yung mensahe ko sa iyo, Boss Ray. Yan. Mabuhay ka hanggat sa gusto mo, Boss Ray. Mag-ingat lagi sa trabaho. Pera lang yan, mahanap din natin ng pera. Pero yung kalusugan natin, importante. Good health tayo sa lahat ng bagay. Huwag abusuhin ng trabaho. Abusuhin ang negosyo. Charot. Gala tayo ng gala, di ba? Yun lang yan, Boss Ray. Good health. At sana, kayo na talaga ni Mami Zel. Forever and ever. Yan lang yun, Boss Ray. At yan, may tricycle na. Maraming salamat dahil kahit konting ano lang, konting pagsasama lang natin nung nasi-smile pa ako. Napakabait mo talaga, Boss Ray. Yun lang. At maraming salamat din na kasi naging part ako ng Smile Family Agency, kung saan yung kabiyak ng puso mo ay nasa Smile. Oh my God. Yan. Thank you, Boss Ray, and happy birthday. Huwag ka lang magsasawa sa amin, mga anak mo, mga ampun mo, at especially kay Mami Zel. Siyempre, kahit lagi tayong tinotopak minsan, yun lang yun. Be patient, Boss Ray. Happy birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Love you, Boss Ray. Ikaw lang nag-iisang Boss Ray ng gila.
Happy birthday po, Kuya Ray. At magandang gabi na rin po, lalong-lalo na sa lahat na nandito ngayon sa Silent Sanctuary Agency. So, message ko lang po sa iyo, Kuya Ray, huwag niyo na lang po pabayaan sarili niyo. Ingat na lang po kayo palagi. And sana marami pang blessing na ipagkaloob ni Papa God para sa iyo. Pasensya na rin, Kuya Ray, kung maingay dito. Nasa labas kasi ako. God bless you na lang po, Kuya Ray. God bless you. And sa lahat na nandito, guys, God bless you all. At magpakilala na rin po ako. Ako nga po pala ang owner ng Team Ligaw Agency Family. Thank you po.
Hi, Boss Ray of Silent Sanctuary. Happy birthday to you and more birthdays to come. Stay strong and healthy and take care of yourself always there. Alam po natin na sa malayong lugar po kayo. Lagi niyo pong ingatan ang inyong sarili at huwag kalimutan pong magpasalamat sa ating Panginoon na siyang lumikha sa atin. And then, and I hope na stay in love each other kay ni Beshicel. No matter what happens, kung ano man yan, dapat just keep trust and stay in love each other. And once again, happy birthday to you and enjoy your day. Bye-bye!
Hi, kamahalang Ray. Happy 42nd birthday. Ako ang iyong Panginoon, Super Admin Happy, na bumabati sa kamahalan ng happy birthday. Birthday na ni Ray. Birthday na ni Ray. Birthday na ni Ray. Get out!
Happy birthday po, Daddy Admin. On this very special day, I want to warmly greet you a happy birthday. Thank you so much for all the kindness, generosity, and guidance you constantly share with us here in the gala. You are more than an admin. You are truly our daddy, always giving us opportunities and support that make a big difference in our lives. I also want to honor and appreciate your beloved wife, Mami Del, our respected owner, for standing with you, inspiring us with her care, leadership. Both of you are such a blessing to us, and we are grateful for all that you do for the Gala family. My prayer is that you, Daddy, will be blessed with good health, long life, and overflowing happiness. May you and Mami Del continue to be surrounded with love, success, and countless blessings in the years ahead. Enjoy your special day to the fullest. Daddy Admin, you truly deserve all the respect, love, and appreciation today and always. With gratitude, respect, Laika.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Daddy Ray. Wish ko lang po, lagi ka pang mag-iingat dyan sa work mo and more birthday to come at sana magtagal pa kayo ni Mommy. Yun lang. Thank you so much po, Daddy. Happy birthday again. Love you, Dad.
Hi. Hello sa pangkalahatang Daddy. At bukod tanging kamahalan ng aming Reyna ng Smile, the owner of Silent Sanctuary, the celebrant of this event, Rai, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best in life. Sana sa pagdagdag ng taon mo, ng edad mo, mapanatili mo ang maayos na kalusugan kasi yun ang pinaka-importante. Salamat sa pakikibagay mo sa amin sa Smile Family kahit na hindi tayo magkakilala sa personal, dito man lang tayo nakakilala, boses lang. Salamat sa iyo. Nadadamay ka pati sa amin. Basta appreciate ka namin sa Smile Family. Happy birthday muli. It's me, Mami Ani.